Oh man. Man, does it hurt for you to bend down and try and touch your toes? You notice pain or tension in your low back or maybe through your legs? Feeling like you have to walk your hands up to stand back up? If so, then this video is for you. My name is Dr. Molly Pearson, and for today's Body Armor, what we're talking about is low back pain. And the solution that I have for you is actually a nerve glide. And so how this helps, or what it does, is it really helps to reduce some of that tension that we might notice through the back of our legs or even in our back when we're trying to bend forward or touch our toes, or even maybe even bend back if that's the direction that you notice your pain. And so it can help to reduce some of that tightness that you feel. But something to be mindful of with this exercise is that more is not more, less is actually more. So we want to really start with small sets just to see how our body feels, because the nervous system is a sensitive thing. And so starting with small sets of like 1, maybe 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps, just to see how your body responds. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down, lay on the ground. You're going to bring the leg that you're noticing your symptoms in. So we'll say it's my right leg. You're going to wrap your fingers behind your hand. Your head is resting on the floor. And you're just going to bring your foot up and point your toes towards you and come back down. And so gradually you can work on increasing that range and working to where you feel it, but not to the point where, you know, it's impossible or feels miserable. And then pointing your toes back towards the floor when you come back down. And so we'll work through a set of 10. And I'm just gradually working on kind of increasing that range of motion, spending like a second or two at the top, just to help reduce some of that tightness that I might feel behind my leg. If you notice this a lot with like your deadlifts or maybe your squats, this is a great exercise that you can kind of throw into your warm-up just to kind of prime that nervous system for tolerance to like that tension, because what we're doing is lengthening that tissue and help to reduce some of that discomfort that you might feel during your workout. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe.